Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So day 2 of the summit, which is the last day here in DC. Alright, see you later.
We cannot get like Ethiopian food everywhere. I took her to Ethiopian restaurants like at the Adams Morgan.
And it is my great pleasure to be with you all this morning to talk about diversity, equity, and inclusion. Now, for many of your identity wheel, and I will use yours truly, myself, as an example. Themes coming in. So there will be more opportunities to answer questions like this in the future. Oh well. Anyways.
My name is Pingan. I'm from Cambodia. I'm one of the UGRAD alumni back in 2004. I feel like the program itself pushed me to just really dive deep into what I want in life.
Send out all the more power to do everything in your capacity to finish your term with a big bash. Don't stay up late until 1 a.m. in the library, or maybe try it sometimes. I know I did, and I made sure to make a video out of it and posted it on my Instagram. It's a mandatory thing to do. Take in all the fresh air and food. You got this. And if you're feeling too unsure about
Ardern, and she is the first woman Prime Minister of New Zealand. She was just recently.
Aslama. Hello. صباح لبس معليكش. هيا شحوالك؟ خير. الحمد لله. So كيف ذكرنا في دي سي. It's like almost our last day in DC, so we're trying to make the best out of it. Yep. يعني after 5 years or so إن شاء الله بعتوا بعضنا هاد الفيديو نتفكروا باللي كنا في دي سي.
We hope you've enjoyed the venue over these last 2 days.
This community survey. The winner is IU. The winner is Balthasar. And the runner-up for this category is Michelle Long. Alright, that's all we have. I want to thank you guys again.
طيب وصلنا. Me too.
Requires PayPal is billing an auto pay with stored bank account. Restrictions apply. Taxes and fees extra. After promo regular rates applied at internet service and devices. Actual fees vary.
Take a slight right on Massachusetts Avenue Northwest.